afternoon. You're here with me, Katie, at Mice Family Blackpool. And you can probably tell it's really windy day today. I'm getting blown down the road here. But I promised I'd get out. I haven't been able to get out in the past few days because of obviously the weather. But yeah, I'm going to go for a little stroll. I've got no idea where I'm going, so come with me, let's go explore. Well, you can't see it from here, but I can. Oh, the waves are pretty rough, pretty angry over there. In case you missed it, I did do a video the other day of the waves. Oh my god. Oh, I just got sand in my eye. Oh my god. So here we are on the promenade. Oh my god. Oh guys, honestly, I won't be out long today. It's freezing in case you haven't guessed. Oh, Madame Tussauds, still open. It's quite busy out today, isn't it? I'm even on it. You can see the Dementors there are proper hanging over from the wind, aren't they? What is their official name? Because I always call them Dementors. Anyone that follows the channel will know that. That's a nice shop, isn't it? Old Time Portrait Studio. I've done that a couple of times with the kids, but I went to the one on Central Pier. It was really fun. It's good to do something different, isn't it? I think we'll nip up into town. Busy. Thank you. I always say thank you to the people in the cars stopping like they can hear me, but you know, it's manners, isn't it? Like my nana always said, manners cost nought. So we're just here by McDonald's, in case you can't see. It was really sad, wasn't it, that massive fire in the nail shop. Was it yesterday or the day before? We'll go up and take a look, but it took most of the building down. I think only the back part of the wall was left standing. How horrific to lose everything like that, to have it all burnt to the ground. And even worse by the fact that it's Christmas, you know? I couldn't film down that end because of the music that was blaring out. Every vlogger will know music is a nightmare. A nightmare for copyright. So you can see the, I think it's the Golden Mile amusements that are going to be moving into this building here, ahead of us. I think that's the one that used to be Poundland. Have you been to the Hole in the Wand? We filmed there, it was really good. The link's in, I'll put the link in the description. So here we are on Church Street, which is where that awful fire happened. So we're just going to walk up that way. I really do hope that the people who own the salon manage to fully recover. Maybe they might get some help. Is there a GoFundMe or anything like that set up for them? They're going to need a lot of help, aren't they? So as you can see here, a lot of it's had to be closed off while they do some work to make it safe. Most of the building had come down. Oh, it's just awful sad, isn't it? Oh, look at all that. All gone, isn't it? Hi Tom. Hopefully it'll be quick to get it sorted out, hopefully. So I'll come get a shot from this side where it's not as crowded. So it's sad for the other businesses as well, because obviously this shop here then has to be closed too. Horrible time, isn't it? Really horrible time. I send the owners my very best wishes and wish them all the best and hope that next year's a good year for them, and fingers crossed that they get back up and running as quick as possible. Who can survive without wages today? Even with wages we struggle. So honestly, my heart breaks for them. I don't think I'm going to be staying out much longer, to be honest, because well, it's freezing. That's the answer of it. It's absolutely freezing, but I came with gloves today. I nicked one of the kids' pairs. It's got to be done, hasn't it? Oh, cup of tea's calling me now, I think. Or maybe even a vodka. Who knows? So we're not going to walk back down Church Street. Oh, look at that Santa mural on the wall. That's cool. Let's have a quick peek. Oh, look. That's lovely. Whoever does the artwork on here, it's good. I like that Santa. There's loads of artwork down here, look. Butterflies. They're cute. Where should we go? I know, we'll go down Burleigh Street. We'll go up and down. So, New Year's resolutions, it comes up every single year. Have you set any? I'd really love to know if you have. Let me know in the comments below. I've not set any. I'm just going to be my same wonderful person that I am every year. Yeah, that's rather big-headed. No, I have a few actually. Losing weight is one. Why does it get so hard when you hit 40 to lose weight? I used to be able to do it like that. Now, it's not coming off. So Abingdon Street. And here we are on Burleigh Street. We're going to walk down this way. Maybe we should go into the crypt, have a look round in there. So you got the Scream and Shake there, and then the crypt right next door to it. This is Burleigh Street. That t-shirt's good, slashing through the snow. I like it. Oh, bless him. Cafe Meow and Compass Cafe Bar. So that's the Cafe Meow's the cat cafe. So you go in there and have a brew and stroke a cat. Or take your cat with you. Dinner date with your cat. I know a few people that I could see doing that. Tell you what, it's quite a breezy walk, but I'm enjoying it. Nice and refreshing. God, if I put the camera any closer, you'll be seeing my moustache. Neighbourhood subs. Food available every night till 9 PM here. And this is the Rose and Crown. So Blackpool Council main building there. Housing benefit, council tax, anything sort of council related like that is in that building there. Holding a Christmas grotto wonderland. Oh, they were, sorry, it was up until Christmas Eve. Catch up, Katie, honestly. Should we go down the seafront or down here? Probably down here, because it's really windy. Well, actually, it'll be alright. It'll be alright, we'll brave it, I'm a big girl. Put me big girl boots on. Viva. Love a bit of Viva. Lovely papas. We did a video on them. Oh, right, prepare for the wind. Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, it doesn't half hit your cheeks, does it? It's I won't walk 500 miles, it's I will be blown 500 miles. It's all good, it's good. Hope you're enjoying the little walkabout, just looking at my face. Oh, it's awesome seeing so many people out, I love it. The other side of the amusements here, that's going to be mint. As soon as that's built, I'll be going in there. I think it's starting to like either snow or rain. Oh dear, oh his hat. our cook past Bonny Street, which, as a lot of you will know, it's gone now. Bonny Street Market has gone. Really sad. Feel sad for all of the traders there, and I hope that they've got somewhere new to go to. So here it is, the end of an era. No more Bonny Street Market. Let's watch ourselves here now. We're going to get knocked down. I'm going to risk it for a biscuit. So there you go, look. All gone. Isn't it? We'll walk down the other side and get a look from down there. But obviously, yeah, the market has gone because there's a massive redevelopment happening in this area. So they've got a massive centre, apparently, an indoor like fun centre for the family, is what I've heard is going to be getting built there. We're just at the back of Sea Life Centre. And yeah, we'll get another shot here of what was Bonny Street Market. If you look here, one of the old units here. And then just there as well. See in there. Oh, I didn't realise, and I've just stood in a big puddle. Isn't it sad seeing it all come down? But it's the end of one chapter and it's the beginning of another chapter. Because it is really good to get new things in Blackpool. It'll be nice to have the big centre. Just hopefully all the people that did work here have managed to get somewhere else. So there it is, the end of Bonny Street Market. Yeah, it is sad. Terribly sad, but all the best to everybody from Bonny Street Market. Best wishes to you all. And here we are walking next to the old police station and courtrooms. I think we'll have a quick wander up top. You've got the civil and magistrates family courts up here. Let's have a quick look up. So that was the entrance to the old police station just here. But of course now the police station is opposite the psychiatric hospital up near the motorway. Harbour, I think it's called, the Harbour Hospital. So I think this was the entrance before. Got some lovely artwork on here, haven't they? See, some people hate graffiti, but I think there's a big difference between just squiggling your name type graffiti and actually doing art. Some of it is really good. Let's have a quick look up here. This is where you get up to the courts. Oh. Honestly, that wind needs to do one. Oh. Nice view up here, look. Very nice view. Market, Tower, Island, Central Drive there. So, I'm assuming we must go this way, because we can't get that way, that's for sure. It's not not looked after or maintained, is it, very well up here? So you got the steps here that bring you out by the seafront. That's a view, isn't it? On this side here we've got number 13 Bonny Street there. So we're going to go back down this way towards the courts. Nice little pub is that, isn't it? So we're just coming up to the Magistrates and Civil Courts just round here. So if you ever need to go to court, you now know where to come. I think there's steps at that side as well, so we'll have a look. It's a shame that they've got all this going to waste, and a massive building like that as well. Here's the courts. That sounded all so serious then, didn't it? Here's the courts. So you got a lift there, although to be honest, you would not get me in that. Not hoping hell, look at the state of it. Nope, nope, nope. So yeah, you've got stairs there that'll take you down to the car park. I might go that way, let's just see what's round this side. Kind of a strange little area, isn't it? So I'm not sure what these buildings are. I imagine they're just an extension of the court offices and things like that, probably. Ah, you've got the family court just there, look. So I think there's some steps round here, I think. We'll just see if there's some steps. I think we can get out this way. Oh, yeah, yeah. There we go. Oh, this side certainly looks a bit better, doesn't it? Right. Oh, I've quite enjoyed this walk today. Do you know what? I think I'm going to have a little sit down, rest my feet for a minute. Been out quite a while. If I turn it round, look at the clouds. And I don't think it ever shows it as well as I would see it on the camera. The clouds are really, really dark. So hopefully I'll get in the door and then it can start raining. It can chuck it down as much as it wants once I'm in the door. So fingers crossed. So anyway, yeah, I think I'm going to go now and get a nice cup of tea. Really hope you enjoyed that little walkabout. But as you can see, it is rather windy now, so I want to get home. So as always, take care, stay safe. Please don't forget to like, comment and maybe a share on my video. That'd be appreciated. And we'll see you again soon. Take care, guys. Bye.